let's check in on Cagayan where wind signal number 3 is up. Dahil po yan sa Super Typhoon, Leon. And we have News 5 correspondent Briane Basa. Brian, nasan ka sa Cagayan ngayon at kamusta ang lakas ng hangin dyan at ulan?
Hi Lord, magandang hapon. Hindi ko nakita si Denise kanina, so magandang hapon sa inyo at isang maulan actually na hapon mula rito sa Santa Ana, Cagayan. Mapapansin nyo sa ating ituan, grabe yung hampas ng hangin at yung buhos ng ulan sa mga oras na ito. Actually, as I see it, as the day goes by, parang pasungit yung panahon because of Super Typhoon Leon. There are a few vehicles passing by, but you won't see pedestrians outside. Kasi nga, it's very risky when you go outside. Halimbawa ako ngayon, I'm trying to be careful kasi pwede akong tangayin ng hangin. Ganun siya kalakas. And I'm not sure if you hear it in the studio. I'll just wipe the lens Okay, medyo talagang umaanggi yung ulan sa mga oras na ito. I don't know if you hear it, but dito sa Santa Ana, rinig yung howling ng wind. As in, hindi siya pito. It's a howling sound that the wind makes because of the impact of the storm. And by the way, yan, makikita niyo yung mga videos taken earlier. The trees violently swaying because of the winds and the rains. Yung mga dahon talagang winawasiwas. Some of them nagkalat na sa kalsada sa sobrang lakas ng paghagupit ng super bagyong Leon. And so far, wala tayong nakikitang flooding at this moment. However, local officials are monitoring 3 rivers in the town kasi baka mamaya raw, pag nagtuloy-tuloy yung masungit na panahon, ay pwedeng magdulot ng flooding sa buong bayan. Nakikita nyo? Okay, so I'm trying to be careful right now.
Yeah.
Kasi masyadong malakas yung hampas ng hangin. Sa mga oras na ito, it's blowing from behind me. Kaya we really have to be careful. And that, again, like what I said on Facebook Live earlier, this is no laughing matter. That's why the residents are really taking steps in order to prevent any further injuries or casualties during this time.
Brian, sa pagkakaalam mo ba, sufficient naman ba ang naging preparasyon ng mga lokal dyan, pati ang local government units?
Yes, Lord, since yesterday, nagpalikas na raw ang mga local na officials. Sorry, let me wipe the lens again. Okay, so since yesterday, nagpalikas na ang mga lokal na opisyal sa ating mga residente because they are aware that there are 7 barangays that are near the coastal areas. So actually, itong kinatatayuan natin ngayon, ano pa lang ito? Ito yung kalsada pa lang ito no? So, kung dito pa lang sa kalsada, makikita okay, I'll step out of the frame for a while.
Yeah.
Dito pa lang sa kalsada, makikita ninyo na napakasungit na ng panahon talaga. You wouldn't want to be here at this time, and I'm literally, raising my voice because even I cannot hear myself. So, kita niyo yan, yung hampas ng hangin, the violent swaying of the trees. Nobody is outside, well, except me. At this hour, a few vehicles passing by. This is what Super Typhoon Leon looks like at this hour. I'll try to see if you can see the other side. Ayan, kita niya? How strong the wind is. I'm not sure again if my mic is capturing yung howling, yung hangin. But there we go. So, yan pa lang yung nangyayari dito sa landa. Ito pa lang yung nangyayari. So, what more yung nangyayari sa coastal areas?
Yes.
No? We have yet to come closer, pero mukhang mahihirapan kaming lumapit dun sa dalampasigan because the waves are talagang galit, kumbaga, galit yung alon. And in fact, Pag-asa has warned a storm surge of about 3 meters, aabot ng 3 meters.
Wow.
So pwede silang panganib sa ating mga mangingisda. Kaya inabuti na lang mag-evacuate sa mga kanilang barangay.
Nakikita natin kung nagsisway din yung mga kable, Brian. At this point ba, may kuryente pa rin dyan, hindi pa pinapatay?
Actually, Lord, bago tayo sumalang sa ating live report ngayon, wala ng kuryente, no? Wala kuryente dito sa tinatayuan natin. Medyo, medyo violently, humakagupit na naman yung Super Typhoon Leon.
Oo.
Pero walang kuryente at in effect, wala ring cabled internet or walang wired internet sa mga oras na ito. We are just depending on phone data, precisely why we are on Zoom right now.
Habol ko lang, Brian, no? You mentioned 7 barangays near coastal areas. Meron ng storm surge warning na 3 meters. Full evacuation na ba to? And then, earlier you mentioned 3 rivers in the town being monitored. Meron na rin bang steps that are being taken right now for them to be evacuated as well?
Okay, if I heard it right, okay, so tama ba? You were asking Denise about kung forced ba or preemptive ang evacuation?
Kung lahat na, may mga nagpaiwan o lahat ay umalis na rin because of the storm surge warning.
Okay, so to answer that, Denise, meron ng forced evacuation at this time dahil nga nandun na yung threat kasi na baka umapaw yung mga ilog, nandun na yung threat na baka sumabay pa yan sa nagagalit ng alon, no, dun sa coastal areas. That's why forced na ang evacuation, although sinasabi ng mga lokal na opisyal na meron pa rin mga nananatili sa kanilang mga bahay. Itaw nila kasi sanay na raw sila sa karanasan ng bagyo. Actually, if you go around the houses, some of them, they actually have generators. Nagkataon lang ito, pero iba rito na wala. But many houses here actually have generators kasi ganun sila kasanay. Na pag nawala ng kuryente, they can, just switch to the generators and tuloy-tuloy lang ang kuryente sa kanilang mga bahay. But then again, it's, nandun pa rin yung pagpiprecaution ng local government here na kapag sinabing, lumikas na kayo, likas na, para maiwasan na ang anumang injury or casualty that could be brought about by this Super Typhoon.
Hanggang mamaya pa raw yan, Brian. So mag-ingat ka. Safety first, Brian. At maraming salamat sa iyo. Alright, ingat kayo ng team mo. Briane Basa, ang ating News 5 correspondent na nasa Santa Ana, Cagayan, ang pinakadulong bahagi ng Luzon, mga kapatid.